How's it going, everyone? Mike here with Merch by Amazon March 29th sales update. It's turning out to be a good month. There were definitely a couple of days where the sales went down to 4 or 5 per day, but other than that, the average has been actually pretty good. It's been hovering around 10, which is definitely a higher average than my normal would have been before I got tiered up. So as you can see here, 9 sales in the US, total sales 166.91 total royalties of 35.48, average royalties per sale about $4, which is nice, really nice. And as you can see here, pretty much all standard t-shirts except one iPhone case and one pop socket. I actually have a tank top here. This is a design actually that I listed maybe a month ago, and it's kind of like a summer muscle shirt design, and I've noticed that actually none of the other tank tops are selling except that one, because it actually makes sense. Like, that design would actually work on a tank top. So 9 sales in the US, and the total number of sales yesterday 11. 9 in the US, as you can see here, and then 2 in France. Royalties about €6, which is probably, I don't know, $8, something like that. So that's not so bad. Let's look at this month. So I can just run this because it's early in the morning and I've had no sales today, so this would be accurate. So my total number of sales for March so far, 293, which is great. I think, and let's look at this. So actually, let's look at this quickly first. So again, this is a 0. This is taken into consideration with this number here. So last 7 days, the average is about 70. I think last night when I went to sleep, it was 69. So that's, again, that means, averaging 10 sales a day. This month in the US, 245 for the total amount of royalties, and that's a sale actually in Japan, which is nice, that you just heard. And so the total for this month, 245, 863 in royalties, which is really nice. So as you can see here, this came in for this morning. So that's my first sale of the day, and this compares to the previous month. It's actually very good. So I don't think I'm gonna crack this. I have today and tomorrow, so 2 days left. There's a possibility if I stick to the average of 10 a day in the US. So I don't know if that's gonna happen. But I've definitely beat the previous month's total sales. So I think in yesterday's video or the day before, I talked about how these are the best months in the last 2 years. As you can see here, since 2019, the beginning of 2019, and that's actually amazing. So 2020 is definitely, you can't compare. And then we have a big spike here, and then a tier up to 20,000 in March. So this is the first month being at a tier 20,000. Still a lot of work to do. In reality, I've only listed probably, I don't know, to be fair, let's see, 4 or 5 thousand, no, about 5 to 6,000 products that I wanted to, and then the rest, as I've been saying over and over, is I'm going to recycle those. So again, I'm going to take down listings, upload them to specific products that I want them on, like standard t-shirts, pop sockets, and phone cases. So one more time, 245. I might crack this if I have the next 2 days that are really good days. But overall sales, you can see here so far 293. And how does that compare to the previous month? It is just incredible. So 110 or 108 more than last month, and with the sale that just came in, 109. So really, really good month. Let's see what else. Yeah, basically, like I've been saying, the products that I really like. For me, I'm kind of conflicted because, for example, throw pillows and tote bags, I want them up for sale because I'm assuming that not a lot of people are going to be putting up, thousands of these products. But then again, we have to look at the numbers. Is that what's selling? No, it isn't, right? I would love to be in a tier like 100,000 or 200,000 where you can just, flood the marketplace with these products because you have room available. And also other people might not be listing, tens of thousands of them. So that's where you would stand out with the numbers. But again, look at this across the board. This is just last month, which is a lower month. Let's look at last 90 days and to see what's happened. So last 90 days, you can see here the numbers don't really matter. But what I want to look at are the products. So 4 product categories or 4 product types stand out: standard t-shirts, pop sockets, iPhone cases, and premium t-shirts. Like I would love to have a bunch of hoodies listed, tank tops as well. Now the summer's coming up, right? But then again, I really have to look at these numbers and say it's fair to just stick to these products. And like I said, I've put up all kinds of products when I first got tiered up to 20,000 just because I wanted to fill up the slots, but that's not a long-term strategy. So anyways, I hope that I could skip a few more tiers and have another chance like this, but I definitely won't be complaining about being at a tier 20,000. Anyways, I'll wrap it up here, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any other questions, comments, I'll leave them down below. But I think this month we're definitely going to crack 300 sales overall, and then this might squeeze by and be the best month in the U.S. Since the beginning of 2019. This is loading slower. Anyways, thank you. See you guys soon.